Happy Vlogmas Day 15. I'm actually on my way to work, so I can't really vlog much until after. But I just wanted to say good morning. It is a very snowy morning this morning. Well, it's not snowing, but it's very white. I think it might be a white Christmas this year, which is kind of exciting to me. Not gonna lie, as much as it really sucked to scrape off my car this morning. So I'm actually home now. It's been a while. I came home, had supper, and there was like a snowstorm going on while I was at work. And like my snow, I keep saying that. I keep saying my snow was covered in car. That's like the third time I've said that. My car was covered in snow, so that was fun. But yeah, we didn't open up the calendars, so let's do that. Okay, here we go. Day 4. Oh, that's 15. It is day 14, I think. No, maybe it's the 15th. What day is it today? No, it must be 14. Nope, clearly it's 15. I think this is the one I have been waiting for. So this one is in the shade Stockholm. It is a nude color, and I think this is my favorite one so far. Look at it! This is definitely the nude color that I've been waiting for. I cannot wait to try it. And here's number 15 on the Kinder one. Egg. That's bad grammar. An egg. Hey. You're so cute. Guys, it is. I'm gonna hate myself for doing this. You can't even see it. Okay, you can't see it. Camera's not even focusing. I don't know what's happening. I was gonna say focus it on that like stuff. It's not. My camera's been having some issues. It like won't focus on anything. Oh.
You can kind of see it by the light.
Anyways, it is snowing again.
This doesn't look nearly as bad on camera, but like literally you can't see very far ahead.
Put the flash on, maybe that'll help.
No, I mean like, whoa, that makes it worse. Did I put it on? I didn't do anything.
What?
I didn't do anything.
Me. I put the high beams on, but all you can see is snow.
Like I feel like I want to sacrifice my life for the sake of a video. I feel like I can see more in the video than I can just looking at the road.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Guys, I don't want to die tonight.
There's like a line of people behind us now. But it's kind of
sorry. I don't want to die. And my wipers suck. Wish I had my new one on, but I don't.
We'll be fine. Only see like 2 feet ahead, but it's fine.
Oh God.
At least it's Christmas Eve. I feel like this is the first time in like 3 years that we've had any snow before Christmas.
I know. This is like actually bad. I almost want to like pull over.
I was gonna say maybe you should, because I feel like those guys are probably gonna be like, what the heck? Let's just like not
like
look
all
at it.
ditch though. I can't even tell.
You should just pulled into that guy's driveways. Oh wait, it's
What
not
if I
clear.
get stuck? Okay, maybe I should like, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do.
Just like put your like 4-way flashers on or something, or like there we go. Just let him pass.
Don't tell me he's like, is he coming in here? What's he doing?
I think he's probably just waiting for that.
Oh.
Like look, it doesn't even look as bad. I mean, it looks better on camera than it does like just
It
driving.
does! We're literally like in a snow globe. Okay, here we go. I swear to God, if we get stuck, I'm gonna be so upset.
You can see a little bit better under the lights, but it's not awesome. Gosh, on your windshield there's like this like wet area right here. Looking through your camera, I thought it was a tree that was just like bent over, and for a second there I was like, oh my god.
That rubber is like gone off of my wiper. Like, I probably shouldn't even have that wiper on there because it's gonna wreck my windshield. But I feel like it's getting a little bit better.
Yeah, like it doesn't even look bad on camera at all. And like driving, it just looks like real bad.
Maybe we should turn it up.
Yeah. Intense snowstorm.
Even though it's not even intense anymore.
Yeah, it doesn't look like anything. It's fine.
It's too funny.
It's pretty cool. I'll vlog our Christmas lights.
Don't get our address in it. We don't need anybody knowing where we live.
I'll just like stick my finger up and be like,
Oh, it looks so pretty.
it does.
I wish that you could actually see it.
Look at that tree though.
Well, okay, I think I might have.
Look how cute it is. Look how pretty our house is. Look how cute my finger is.
Gotta protect our address though.
Is it the?
So we're home now.
Whoa.
We survived. I actually legit thought that we were gonna die because I couldn't see a thing, and we had to pull over for a few minutes. So that was great. But we did our weekly Tim's run. And now we're gonna sit by the tree and watch A Mickey's Christmas Carol, which is like one of my favorite Christmas movies. So I'm like super pumped. Okay, so I think I'm going to end Vlogmas Day 15 here. My makeup's like everywhere. We just watched A Mickey's Christmas Carol, and then we watched Unaccompanied Minors, and I'm just about to turn the Christmas tree off, but I just figured I would end it by the Christmas tree because I haven't really even put it that much in the vlogs yet. So yeah, I'm going to end Vlogmas Day 15 here, and I will see you guys tomorrow for Day 16. Good night!